Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the iconic Sandra Bullock outfit from Miss Congeniality. If that's how you say that, I don't know. But this is the cover of it, so I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I did adjustments on. For the hair, I use this hair in 5D 4B 3D and rotated it 0.44. Then I use this hair in the same color in only bangs. Then I use this hair, it's like from the dressing rooms here. In that same color in the stiff toggle, rotate the X to 0.62 and scale it to 0.38. Then I use this crown from VIP in 9F, 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 position the Y 0.53, Z 0.37, and scaled it to 0.33. For the outfit, I use this one because this one's the only dress and skirt that has a slit in type 4. I wish the strap wasn't there, but I can't do much about it in glitter. Actually, I can just do type 2 and color it glitter, I guess. If you want to be super accurate, because her top is just this plain top here in glitter. Let's just do that actually. Then for the rest of the outfit, I did use this belt from VIP in black. And then in just this again in a darker color in glitter. And then this maybe in a lighter color in glitter. And then I'm just going to color everything else this black color. It is very annoying. I just want this part, but it's fine. And then I'm just going to get this in the one arm toggle. Color the first one a green for the leaves, and then the rest just red for the roses. Here I'm just going to kind of either make it darker or lighter, like this. And then we are going to get these shoes here. You can use any shoes really. It looks similar to this one in my opinion. Color everything black here except for the last part. And then I'm also going to get a gun for the prop as well here. Unfortunately, I can't make the sash, whatever. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share. Oh, actually, I might be able to with this. Hold on. Okay, let me see what it looks like. You might be able to with this in the second toggle, just color it white in matte here on the first and second toggle, and then on the third one it's kind of a dark red here, and then just color the rest, I guess, that red. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!